Welcome back! In part 1, I explained the options for the interface settings. Only a few steps left. In this second of a 2-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to complete Port-to-VLAN membership on a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 series switch. Next. Start at the Port-to-VLAN section. This page displays all ports and their membership in each VLAN. You can use it to include or exclude specific ports from a VLAN, making it easy to visualize and adjust your network segmentation. For instance, I'll assign port 4 to VLAN 4 as an untagged member. To do this, I'll select VLAN 4, find port 4 on the list, and set it as untagged before applying the changes. Now port 4 is part of VLAN 4. When managing VLAN memberships, there are several options, including exclude, tagged, untagged, and forbidden. Choices are shown as a drop-down list. Options depend on the port's mode. Exclude means the port isn't a member of the VLAN. Tagged means the port is a tagged member used in trunk or general modes. Untagged makes the port an untagged member, typical for access and general mode. Forbidden prevents the port from joining the VLAN. Additionally, each port has its own Port VLAN ID, or PVID, which specifies the default VLAN for untagged traffic. For general mode ports, you can set the PVID as needed. If you want to assign multiple VLANs to a port in general mode, select the port and choose which VLAN should be tagged or untagged members. In this example, port 6 in general mode could have VLAN 1 as the PVID, untagged, with VLANs 2 and 4 as tagged members. VLANs 1 and 3 are untagged members. VLAN 300 is used as forbidden on this port. Any changes you make will take effect after you click Apply. Trunk mode works similarly, but by default, all VLANs will be tagged members, apart from the native VLAN on that port. If you only want specific VLANs to be tagged on a trunk port, specify those VLANs in the user-defined section for tagged VLANs. Once all your ports are assigned, tap the flashing save icon so your work isn't lost if the switch reboots. To recap, here are the key areas to keep in mind. There you have it! Port-to-VLAN membership on your Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch. A simple, effective way to keep your network organized and secure. Thanks for watching! I'll see you next time.